here, get up out of here. Maybe them times, or you got poor treatment, but more than likely you're going to get treated. And we can talk all day about how different races are being treated differently in the medical whatever, but it for the most part it's available. But I think people use these talking points to prove an invalid point.
Yeah, I had to agree with you. I think access bias. I don't know how to go with a no on that one. Also, there's in some situation you're gonna have to do a little bit of traveling to get to, an emergency room or hospital or to your doctors. But again, as far as like coming down to the actual product that you need, as far as prescription, again, you might have to do a little bit of traveling, but it's out there. It's crazy because at this point in history, again, the pharmaceutical companies, they're not going to turn away a customer. They're just not.
Mm-hmm.
They don't give a damn if you got $1 million in the goddamn bank or 3 pennies in the bank. If they can get those 3 pennies from you, you damn sure better bet your sweet ass they're going to get those 3 pennies. So it doesn't matter where you come from or what your background is. If they can make you a customer, they are. There's just no denying that. I don't know. It's again, you can damn near get a drug before you can get a drink of water in this country.
I wouldn't go that far.
Damn near.
Shit.
Damn near.
I can get a drink of water anywhere.
It might not be clean, but you can get it.
Yeah, I can get clean water. But I mean, to your point, I do get what you're saying, but I can get me some water. But yeah, I mean, drugs are too available. And it's like the crazy thing about it is you can get these drugs any damn where. And you don't have to go to your doctor. Somebody has it. So I mean, people can it's just frustrating to me because some of these same people who whine and complain about the lack of access, some of them are puppets. And it's easy to go in certain communities and get a puppet and say, oh, healthcare is not available, prescription medicines is not available, and blah blah blah. And it's like, that's a lie. Like, to me it's a flat out lie. I think the other thing that you have to take into consideration is that a lot of people, some people, I'm not going to say a lot, some people do not believe in modern healthcare. They don't trust it, or they can't afford it for whatever reason. That goes into a different topic that we're not even on right now, but that has to be looked at. It's like, if at some point in your life you're going to need medical insurance or medical care or whatever, then you should position yourself to be able to afford it, especially if you have children. Again, I get it. It's expensive sometimes. But if you plan your life properly, then it should not be too much out of reach.
When it comes down to, you remember back on, I don't know if you remember or not, but in the 2000s, like the early to mid 2000s, where pretty much everyone was coming from all across the country to certain states, meaning like Texas and parts of California, and unfortunately my home